Listening practice. Exercise 1. Listen to track 10 about the long past and repeat the reading out loud. I was studying English last year. You were learning this morning. He was reading texts with classmates. She was listening to audios in English. They were going to the English class. We were practicing the English language online. The English class was helping me to improve. I was doing homework because I was taking a course. I was not cutting hair while you were talking. You were not cooking sushi with friends. You wasn't texting during English class. She wasn't singing pop songs because she was traveling abroad. They weren't going to the park at night. We weren't writing in Spanish currently downtown. The computer wasn't working now.